Zach's fucking stupid.
This is so cool.
He's gonna slide down the water slide. This is probably the coolest thing ever.
This is the coolest thing in the whole world. Slide down it, Zach!
Go down it anyway. Here, let me see that. I'm black. I can run fast.
No.
Look at him.
I'm fine. I got it. I'm zoomed in. Where'd he go? Is he going? Is he going down? We've like lost him.
Zach, are you okay?
Quiet down so we can hear him.
Zach! Oh God.
Keep crawling.